everyone, I hope you're all having a lovely day. So, does by any chance your feet have a bad case of freaking out? Do you need a solution for whatever's happening here? Well, don't worry, I got the solution for you guys. So, what we're going to do in order to fix our weird feet issues is that we're going to be utilizing foot IK basically. So what we're going to do is that you're going to click on character. What you're going to then do, there's two ways of doing it. So the first thing would be that you go into your animation and then you can go where it says apply foot IK and click on yes. Usually that should do the job for you, but let's say you're still having some issues where your feet are some reason still acting really foolish. So how do you fix that? Well, here's what we're going to do. You're going to go into body IK. You're going to find your left and right foot basically. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on enabled, then click on create temporary IK target. And as you can see, one of my foot is fixed, and now you gotta do the same thing to the other foot. Click on yes, and create temporary IK target. And as you can see, my feet are looking much better, but my knees are clipping against each other. How do I fix that now? Well, we got the final solution for you. So what you're going to do, besides this giant gizmo in my face, is that you're going to scroll down to where there's temporary IK anchor. And what you're going to do is you're going to utilize the gizmos to move around your feet, and you can even use it to rotate. Please don't scale your feet. That would be very disturbing. But pretty much though, you can click on the anchor points, move them around, so that way you can sort of correct it basically. And also you can even pose it slightly. You can even also, as a little extra, if you want to, I guess, depending on how your feet are, maybe you want to adjust it a little further. You can go into animation, scroll all the way down, and you can actually utilize additional bone offsets to do even more fine-tuning to your posing, basically, depending on what you want. But overall, if you follow the steps properly, your feet issues, your weird derpy feet issues, are now gone. So now your feet are pretty much staying in place, and now your weird broken kneecaps are cured. So this is how you cure your kneecaps, and I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!